Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. Today, we are going to learn how to ask about someone's health.
That sounds very useful.
Yes, we ask about health every day. Let's start with the most common question. How are you?
That's very simple.
Yes, but it's very important. You can say, how are you? How are you doing? How have you been?
What is the difference?
How are you is very common. How are you doing? Sounds a little more friendly. How have you been is used if you haven't seen the person for some time.
How can I answer?
You can say, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm doing well. Not bad. Or if you are not okay, I'm a little tired. I'm not feeling great today. Let's practice. How are you today, Mark?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Now let's learn how to ask if someone is sick. If your friend looks tired, you can say, Are you okay? You don't look well. Are you feeling all right?
You don't look well sounds serious.
Yes, it shows care, but say it gently. Example, You don't look well. Are you okay?
I think I have a cold.
Good response. Other possible answers, I have a headache. I feel dizzy. I have a sore throat. I'm just tired. Practice.
Anna, you look tired. Are you okay?
I didn't sleep well last night. Very natural. Now imagine your friend was sick last week. You can say, Are you feeling better? How are you feeling now? Are you better now?
Which one is most common?
Are you feeling better is very common. Example, Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better, thank you. Other responses. I'm still a little sick. I'm getting better. Not yet, but I'm resting. These are very useful.
When someone says they are sick, we should show sympathy. You can say, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds painful. I hope you feel better soon.
Do we always say something?
Yes, it's polite and caring. Example,
I have a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon. Very natural. Now, let's learn some common health words. Headache, stomachache, sore throat, cough, fever, cold.
How do I say I have a headache?
You say, I have a headache. I have a stomachache. I have a cold. You don't say, I am headache. That is incorrect. Practice. What's wrong?
I have a sore throat.
Sometimes, when someone is sick, we ask about the doctor. You can say, Did you see a doctor? Have you been to the doctor? Did you go to the clinic?
What is the difference?
Did you see a doctor is simple past. Have you been to the doctor is more general. Example, You look very tired. Did you see a doctor?
Yes, I went yesterday. Other responses. Not yet. I have an appointment tomorrow. I don't think I need a doctor. Practice. Anna, have you been to the doctor?
Not yet, but I will go tomorrow. Very natural. Now, let's talk about medicine. You can ask, Are you taking any medicine? Did the doctor give you medicine? Are you feeling better after the medicine?
How do I answer?
You can say, Yes, I'm taking some medicine. The doctor gave me antibiotics. I feel better after taking it. It's not helping much. Example, Are you taking any medicine?
Yes, I'm taking something for my cough. Practice. Did the doctor give you medicine?
Yes, he gave me some tablets. When someone is sick, we often give advice. You can say, You should rest. You should drink more water. You should see a doctor. You should stay home.
Is should polite?
Yes, it sounds helpful and caring. Example:
I have a fever.
You should stay home and rest. Other examples: You should get some sleep. You should take some medicine. Practice: I have a headache.
You should drink water and rest.
Now, let's practice saying you are not feeling well. You can say, I'm not feeling well today. I need some rest. I think I'll stay home. I'm going to take the day off.
What is take the day off? That sounds very useful.
It means you don't go to work or school. Example: Why are you going home early?
I'm not feeling well. I need some rest. Practice. I think I'll take the day off tomorrow.
I hope you feel better soon. Very natural conversation. Sometimes we need to call work and say we are sick. You can say, I'm not feeling well today. I won't be able to come to work. I need to take a sick day.
How do I say it politely?
Example: Hi, this is Mark. I'm not feeling well today, so I won't be able to come to work. Very simple and polite. Another example: I have a fever, so I need to take a sick day. Practice: Why are you not at work?
I called in sick because I have a cold.
Health is not only about the body, it is also about the mind.
How can we ask about mental health?
You can say, Are you okay? How are you feeling lately? You seem stressed. Is everything okay? Do you want to talk? These questions are gentle and caring. Example: You seem quiet today. Are you okay?
I'm just a little stressed. Other answers. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm just tired mentally. I need some time to relax. Practice. Anna, you look worried. Are you okay?
I'm just feeling a little stressed today. Sometimes people are not sick, but they are tired. You can ask, Are you tired? Did you get enough sleep? Have you been working too much?
What are good responses?
You can say, I didn't sleep well. I've been very busy. I just need some rest. I feel exhausted. Example: You look tired. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I only slept 4 hours. Practice. Have you been working too much?
Yes, I think I need a break. When someone shares their health problem, we should respond kindly. You can say, That sounds difficult. I'm here for you. Take care of yourself. Let me know if you need anything.
Is I'm here for you common?
Yes, it shows emotional support. Example:
I feel very stressed lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm here for you. Other examples:
I have a bad cough.
Take care of yourself. Drink warm water. Practice:
I have a headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon. Now let's practice a longer conversation. Hi, Mark. How are you today?
I'm not feeling very well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
That sounds uncomfortable. Did you see a doctor?
Not yet. I'm planning to go tomorrow.
You should rest and drink warm tea.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks, Anna.
This is a very natural health conversation. Today, we learned many useful questions. How are you? Are you okay? Are you feeling better? Did you see a doctor? Are you taking medicine? We also learned how to respond. I have a cold. I feel tired. I need some rest. I'm feeling better now.
These sentences are very useful in daily life.
Yes, asking about health shows care. It makes relationships stronger.
I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them with friends and family. Thank you for listening today. Take care of your health. See you next time.